If you're a beginner looking to shape your triceps, you're in the right place. Triceps training is more than just about aesthetics. It's about strengthening one of the most crucial muscles in your body. Our triceps play a key role in everyday activities, from picking up your morning cup of coffee to lifting heavy objects. With strong triceps, you can enhance your overall upper body strength and improve your physical performance. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of triceps training. First things first, it's crucial to understand what your triceps are and how they function. Your triceps, also known as triceps brachii, is a large muscle situated at the back of your upper arm. This muscle plays a vital role in extending your arm and stabilizing your shoulder joint. The triceps are composed of three distinct parts or heads: the long head, the medial head, and the lateral head. The long head originates at the shoulder blade and is responsible for the most powerful pulling movements. The medial head, located in the middle, provides fine-tuned control and stability. Finally, the lateral head, which gives your triceps their distinctive shape, is involved in all types of pushing and pressing movements. So, in essence, your triceps are not just about looking good. They're essential for a wide range of daily activities, from picking up your coffee cup to throwing a ball. Now that you know what your triceps are and how they work, you're ready to start training them. For beginners, it's important to start with exercises that are easy to perform yet effective in working the triceps. Let's jump right in with the classic, the push-up. This simple exercise is great for the whole body, but did you know it's also fantastic for the triceps? Start in a plank position, hands under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 to 15 reps to start, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. Next up is the tricep dip. You can use a stable chair or bench for this. Sit on the edge of the chair, hands next to your hips. Slide your butt off the chair while keeping your hands firmly planted. Lower your body until your elbows are at about a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Aim for 10 reps here. This exercise can be a bit challenging, but it's a fantastic way to target those triceps. Our third exercise is the overhead tricep extension. You'll need a dumbbell for this one. Hold the dumbbell with both hands and raise it over your head. Bend your elbows to lower the weight behind your head. Then extend your arms to lift it back up. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. This exercise really isolates the triceps, so you'll feel the burn. Finally, we have tricep kickbacks. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, bend over slightly with a flat back. Bend your elbows so your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Extend your arms behind you, then return to the starting position. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. This exercise is great for targeting the back of the arms. Remember, start with light weights and increase gradually as you gain strength. And most importantly, maintain proper form. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more reps with bad form. Remember, it's not about how many exercises you do, but how well you do them. Quality over quantity, always. As you embark on your triceps training journey, here are some tips to help you succeed. First and foremost, consistency is key. It's not about cramming an intense workout into one day, but rather maintaining a steady routine over time. This allows your muscles, including your triceps, to adapt and grow. Secondly, nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle development. Ensure your diet is rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support your triceps training. Don't forget about rest. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. So, ensure you are getting adequate sleep and rest days in between your training sessions. Lastly, always listen to your body. If something feels off or painful, don't ignore it. It's important to not rush the process and risk injury. Remember, the journey to stronger triceps is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and results will follow. That's it for today's triceps training guide for beginners. We've taken you through the basics, and now it's your turn to start sculpting those triceps. Don't be shy to share your progress. We love hearing about your achievements. And if you're stuck or need some advice, drop a comment below. We're here to help you every step of the way. Good luck on your triceps training journey. Remember,